Hi, I'm with you to introducing of the PH485Ux1P and tell you how you can use this industrial product. This product is a USB to RS232, RS485 and RS422 converter in industrial class. It connects to the computer via a USB port and adds a standard RS232, RS485 and RS422 ports as COM port to your system. With this converter, you can connect any device with RS232, RS485, and RS422 ports such as PLC, CNC, and other industrial devices to your computer. Some of the important features of this product that makes it categorized in industrial class is the protection against electrical shocks and electromagnetic noises. It also has 3 kV optical and electrical insulation, which has a great effect on eliminating noises, such as electromagnetic noise, which are coming from contacts changing in electromotors or ESD voltages, such as surge or lightning. This is the product packaging. After unpacking, we will see the content of the box. The content is including a PH485Ux1P that I take out of the plastic cover. In one side, it has a USB port that connects to the computer via the USB cable which is inside the box. At the other side, you can see a RS422, RS485 and a RS232 port which uses a screw terminal connector. As you see, the device also has the bracket on the back that can be installed on the rail. It also includes a quick start guide, a USB cable, and a CD which includes the user guide, datasheet, and the required driver files. This device supports all RS485 network topologies such as point-to-point, multi-point, and it also supports point-to-point and multi-drop in RS422 mode. I am using two PH485Ux1 to show how this converter works. For example, connect the RS485 ports. As you know, the RS485 standard consists a pair of differential signals. These signals are marked as D+ and D- on the converter. To the connect two converters, connect D+ to D+, D- to D- and GND to GND. Now connect these two converters to the computer using two USB cables. As you see, the green light on the converter turns on. This converter doesn't require any external power supply and it is powered via computer USB port. After connecting converter to the computer, the driver is automatically installed in Windows. If it is not installed, we will install it manually from the CD. First, go to the device manager of the computer and in the ports section, see that two ports have been added to the system. To the test whether these two ports are related to the converter or not, disconnect one of the converters from the computer. As you see, COM number 8 is removed from the computer. Reconnect. See that COM number 8 is added to the computer again. Serial port testing software such as Microsoft Hyperterminal can be used to demonstrate how this converter works. Here I use free terminal software that a copy of it is in the product CD in the utility folder, and also you can download it from this address. Open terminal software. In this section, select COM number 11 and you will see that the other settings are in the default state. The default settings are baud-rate 9600 bits per second, data bit 8, parity none, stop bit 1,
Handshaking, none. Note in this section, handshaking must be set to none because as you know, RS485 consists of 2 wires and has no hardware handshaking at all. Click on the connect button to connect to the COM number 11. Open another terminal. Select COM number 13 and you will see that the other settings are in the default state. In this section, it doesn't matter what settings we make. It is important that the settings for 2 devices be the same. Click on the connect button to connect to the COM number 13. Now in the transmit section of the terminal software which is connected to the COM number 11, type any data that you want. Click on the send. As you see, we received the same data inside the terminal software which is connected to the COM number 13. You see, when I send data from the COM number 11 terminal, the converter that is connected to the COM number 11, the blue light or TX which indicates transmission is blinking. And on the converter that is connected to the COM number 13, the yellow light or Rx which indicates received is blinking. This data is bidirectional and if you send data inside the COM number 13 terminal software, we receive the same data inside the COM number 11. And again you see when I send data from the COM number 13 terminal, the converter that is connected to the COM number 13, the blue light or TX which indicates transmission is blinking. And the converter that is connected to the COM number 11, the yellow light or Rx which indicates received is blinking. The point that I want to make at the end is that these converters have an end-of-line resistor or termination resistor which is a 120 ohm resistor and also have bias resistors inside them and you don't need to add these resistors. Contact us via our email support@IPElectronix.com or our WhatsApp number and ask your technical questions. Thank you for watching this video.